Hey, what's going on, family? Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'm going to be doing a review of two cases from a company named Iconaxis. Alright, now one of these cases is for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and the other case is for the iPhone 11. Okay, now you can get both of these cases on Amazon.com, and the price for the Samsung case will run you $9.99, and the ticket for the iPhone case will run you $11.99.
Oh Lord!
All right, now the case for the Note 10, actually you can get it for the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus. This particular case is for the Note 10 Plus. This case right here is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but is also available for the 11 and the 11 Pro. All right. Now we're gonna talk about both of these cases. I'm gonna open them up and show you what they look like and what they hitting for, what they about, and then that's it. Now I don't have either one of these devices, but we ain't gonna let that hold us up. We're just gonna review the case and see how we like it and what it look like and what it's hitting for. All right. Now first off, we're gonna do the Samsung case, which is this one right here. Now it comes in 3 different colors. You can get it in black, clear, and pink. Now some of the features is it's ultra light, durable, slim, hybrid protection, anti-yellowing, shock-proof, soft TPU air cushion bumper, anti-scratch, clear back acrylic cover to show off the design of your phone. So you got the clear back, so you ain't got to worry about covering up the design of your phone. You can rock the color and all that stuff. And it comes with a nylon braided speed 6-foot charging cable, and it is wireless charging capable. All right, so let's crack this open real quick. Take this one out, and this is your dummy phone right here. You got your dummy phone, and this case, it says please peel off the front and back before films before application. I'm not gonna peel it off because I don't have a device to put in there, but it does have a cover on there to keep your device nice and neat. Now the feel of this is really nice. It has a really good grip to it. You see you got your 2 holes up there at the top. Your right side of the phone is completely bare, nothing over there. And then you have your up and down volume rocker right there, as well as your button on that side. On the bottom, you got your S Pen cutout. Then you have a microphone cutout, your speaker cutout, and then you have your charging cable cutout, all at the bottom of the case. You see Iconaxis branding on your case right there, cut off for your camera. And I mean, all in all, I like this case. This will be a good sturdy case. It has some give to it, but it seems protective. I don't know about front face drops. Like I said, I don't have the device, so I wouldn't be able to tell, but it does look like it has some sort of lip as far as the back and protecting your camera. The camera doesn't protrude on the Note, so you will probably have a little bit of space, to keep your camera protected inside of there. Now here is the braided cable that it comes with. So let's check this out real quick. Right. And we have your USB Type-C end on this side, and then you have your USB end on that side. Now you have Iconaxis branding on your charger, and it's a braided cable with like rubber tips on it, real nice. And this is quality. This is a 6-foot long charger, so you got a little bit of length to work with. You won't be tethered to a charger where you got to sit there and be all up on it all the time. You got a little bit of length with this, and I'm feeling that right there. Slide that one to the side. Let's move on to the second case. Now this case right here, like I said, is available for the iPhone 11 Pro, which is the 5.8 inch. It's available for the 11, which is the 6.1 inch, and it's available for the 11 Pro Max, which is 6.5 inch. This case has a 360-degree full body protection, military grade drop tested, built-in screen protector, enhanced camera and screen protection, hard PC scratch protection, slim design, wireless charging capabilities, and it also comes with the nylon braided high-speed 6-foot charging cable. Word. So let's pop this one out the pack real quick. Maybe there's an easier way to do it. We just gonna use the knife anyway. All right, so get that out of there. Alright, and this is what you got. Take that off of there. But this is your case right here. This case a little bit thicker than the Note case. You know what I mean? You got a little bit of girth on the sides. You got your cutout right here for your cameras. You got Iconaxis branding on the back of your case. You also have your power button on the right side, with your up and down volume on the left side, and the cutout for your silent or mute button, whatever you want to call it. At the top is bare. At the bottom you have your lightning port cutout, as well as your speaker grill cutouts on either side of that. Now this case is actually for the 11, the iPhone 11. I made a mistake, so this is the 6.1 inch case, and I really like this case. Like if I had the iPhone 11, I would definitely rock this case. Like this case, it has a really nice build, rugged feel to it, not slippery, so you got a nice grip on the sides of it. Good texture, nice feel to it, and everything. I'm really feeling this case right here. You got a little lip protection right there to keep your camera, your multiple cameras safe, and you got a little lip right here. This is a screen protector, so you know what I mean. You got this little lip. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a lip here, and that will protect you from a front face drop. You got the cutouts at the top of your screen protector, you know what I mean, so you'll be able to still hear and be able to talk and all that stuff, and it wouldn't be affected by the screen protector. But this right here is really nice. I really like it. Let's check out this braided cable. Check that out. And here is the 6-foot braided lightning cable. Now it's the same as the other one. It's a braided material. You got Iconaxis on the USB end, and then on the other end you have your lightning adapter, and you got the rubberized tips on here. So these are really quality looking braided cords. Like I said, this is a 6-foot cord, so this is really nice, and I really like these. So if you're in the market for a new case for your iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, or your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, or your Samsung Galaxy Note 10, definitely check out Iconaxis, and they definitely got some hot cases, and I would recommend both of these cases because the accessories that they come with make it definitely worth it. They're not badly priced, and they're right around the alley, so definitely check these out. I'll leave a link in the description for these cases where you can buy them. But we out to the next one, people. Stay blessed.